All right, so this is a recording of our Chrysler, which is currently malfunctioning for the fifth time within 2 years, first 18 months actually. And once again on Christmas, we just got home from Christmas. We're headed out tomorrow to another family Christmas and family vacation. And our car will not recognize what gear it's in. I cannot change the gear. I keep getting notices that the vehicle is not in park. Wants me to start the vehicle. The vehicle is currently running. As you see, it has the run sign. Ignition accessories on, vehicle not in park. I'm getting all kinds of beautiful warnings here. Most assuredly my car is in park. As you see, the parking brake is on. Oh, now I'm able to turn it off, but the safe hold was temporarily disabled and it put it right back on. I'm in my garage, so obviously my car is in park. I was attempting to pull it out. As you can see here, despite the fact that I've turned the vehicle off. Oh wait, it turned right back on all by itself. That doesn't seem right. Turn the vehicle off. It says it's still in run. Wants me to, ah. And we're back on. Nothing I do can turn this vehicle off. You see it is stuck in run. Even better, to make this a most wonderful experience. Not only that, you know, this is the 5th time on a family vacation with twins. Mind you, let's just see here, 1 car seat, 2 car seats. I know, yes, I'm currently 6 months pregnant, that we're having to deal with our family vehicle dying and getting all kinds of alerts. So, this is after we've already pursued lemon law. Chrysler said they had fixed the problem, as did Arrigo Dodge and Chrysler. Every time we took it there, it was a battery problem. It's a battery problem. You need a new battery. The car seems to be running just fine. I can't imagine the battery's dead. There are no battery warnings being given to me. My vehicle info here. Let me get to it. Coolant's fine. Oil's fine. Pressure's fine. Battery has charge. Interesting. So, needless to say, we are beyond frustrated. It's a very nice vehicle, except for the fact that it just doesn't like to run now and again. So this is Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. This is, as I said, the 5th time within the first 18 months that this has occurred to us, for us. And every time we bring it in, oh yeah, by the time the tow truck gets here, the battery has died and the problem cannot be diagnosed and it just doesn't exist. So this is to document exactly what's happening. So let me show you one more time. Vehicle's running. My foot is on the brake. You can't see here. Let me see if I can turn the light on for you. So you see my foot is compressing the brake pedal. I am turning off the car. It says it is still in run. And everything turns back on.